Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be changing out my bedding. I'm also going to be getting some laundry done. And don't forget, towards the end, I'm going to be including a dinner recipe. I'm going to start by removing all my bedding. Then I'm going to spray Tide antibacterial fabric spray all over my mattress. I recently purchased this Lane Linen 100% organic cotton sheets from Amazon. Now that I'm done with the bed, I'm just going to be going downstairs to do some laundry.
No lessons learned. Of course, you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some other stuff that I don't even wanna hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here.
I'm also going to be adding some Downy rinse in the cool cotton scent.
Can I be somebody dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody, yeah. Goodbye. The truth is I didn't even find your company that good.
Now that that load is up and running, I'm going to be heading back upstairs to start deep cleaning my bathroom.
This party sucks, I'm out of luck, I don't know why I'm being here. They talk about some silly stuff, they even don't know if it's real. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody.
I usually start with the toilet, so now I'm just going to be adding some scrubbing bubbles just to start getting it to disinfect. Now I'm just going to be removing everything from the shelves and giving it a quick dust and wiping it down.
Maybe if I stay, maybe if I hold on a little longer, maybe if I stay,
I'm just gonna give everything a quick rinse just to get rid of all the dust before putting it back on the shelves. Everything is finally rinsed. Now we're just going to be putting everything back on the shelf.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance, no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, lie, lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. I see your stories and I can't believe all the people you meet. Think you belong with everybody else, but you belong with me. And there's nothing I can do, cause you don't see straight when it comes to her. No, she's gonna eat you up whole and spit you out, and then you'll be free. Every piece. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, lie, lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. Don't I make you feel something? Or maybe you can't feel anything. She's not gonna give you everything. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, lie, lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new.
Gonna be using Mr. Clean to spray everything down and let it sit for a little bit.
Cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play cool when you take me for a damn fool.
For the inside of the toilet, I'm gonna be using the Clorox Toilet One disposable.
With someone
Once the toilet is clean, I'll just be adding some Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Gel.
I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. Little bit too much.
The product I'm using is from Grove. It's a glass cleaner.
Little bit too much. I'm a little bit too much for you. Baby, you're not man enough. 'Cause it speaks my mind. Yeah, spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you.
Same thing here. We're just gonna be removing everything from the surface and giving it a good wipe down.
'Cause it speaks my mind. Yeah, spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much.
I'll be using my magic eraser to scrub everything off.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
Now we're gonna be moving into my shower. Just giving it a quick scrub down. Gonna be using OxiClean.
Used to be anonymous. Now the world has seen your face. Living life is dangerous, but there's a map for every maze. Yeah, you can be a bird. Tell the stories you have heard, and live your life today. It doesn't matter what they say.
And to finish off the bathroom, I'm just gonna be mopping.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? you said you're sorry. But still, I'm not sure if you told lies. But I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch, anyhow. Holy when we touch, anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black eyes.
For this recipe, I'll be linking it down in the description. For tonight's dinner, we're going to be needing some flour, salt, pepper, some heavy whipping cream, chicken breasts. We're going to be needing chili powder, parsley, paprika, chicken bouillon seasoning, olive oil, onion, butter, and some fresh basil. I also use some minced garlic and some garlic parmesan.
To stop this, yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch, anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right.
For all the seasonings, we're just going to be measuring a teaspoon of each.
We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black eyes. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black eyes. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black eyes. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time.
Now for the chicken, we're just going to be slicing it in half.
Just let us keep on with the black eyes.
We're just going to be using a napkin or a paper towel to pat dry the chicken and just start seasoning both sides of the chicken.
Tell the black eyes to keep
Now that the chicken seasoned both sides, we're just gonna put it on flour and just start patting it.
I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel it burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur.
I'll be using an iron skillet, and then I'm just gonna be adding some olive oil. Once your oil is warm, we're gonna be cooking the chicken on each side for 4 minutes.
I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down. All delusional. Got the feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah.
We're just gonna be adding some butter, and after the butter's melted, we're gonna add our onion and get started on working on our sauce.
Yesterday, you pulled the rug under my feet. Still I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up?
Now I'm just adding a cup of heavy whipping cream, and I also forgot to mention that we also needed chicken broth, so now we're just adding a cup of that as well.
I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down. All illusional. 'Cause I got the feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe.
Once you incorporate the heavy whipped cream, the chicken broth, you're just gonna start seasoning your sauce. I forgot to use the garlic, so I added garlic powder, and now I'm adding the cheese.
I walk within your maze. My head is
And just keep stirring until you get the consistency you want. I like it not too thick but not too runny either, so once that meets my standards, I added the chicken.
cause you got the feeling like I'm lucid dreaming about the flying.
Go ahead and top it up with fresh basil. And I'll be pairing this meal with some steamed rice. I usually rinse the rice like 4 times.
One of those lucid dreams.
So while dinner's finishing up, I'm just gonna be folding the clothes that we put to wash earlier in this video. So this is the 3rd day. I'm just going to be doing my son's laundry. Then I'll be folding it. Okay guys, this wraps up today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm also going to be uploading twice a week, so I decided to upload every Tuesdays and Fridays, so I'll see you then.